Hi, this is Philip with DoMyOwn.com. We're going to talk today about the B&G Pressurizing Tank Top. This is a great addition to your B&G sprayers. You'll notice right away that this is lighter weight than your typical B&G brass pump. Great quality and will allow you to pressurize your sprayer automatically so you don't have to pump. It saves time and you're going to get faster spray times and just better usability of your B&G. You're getting a nice rugged handle. It lasts a long time. You can charge this when it's on your sprayer or off. Typically as somebody treating a job or spraying insecticide, the only indication to you that you need to repump is when that spray starts to sputter out. It's great having a pressurizing tank top like this B&G that keeps that spray consistent and even throughout the job. It screws right on top of your sprayer, just like this, about 2 3/4 turn, and then it's tight. And then there's a switch to turn this on. So if you listen here, I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. You can hear it pressurizing. And it's going to take about 2 minutes to pressurize the tank the first time, 2 to 2.5 minutes. That's with a gallon of water. Once it's done pressurizing to 30 psi, it's going to turn off, and then you can go ahead and start spraying, and it will automatically fill up the pressure when you need it. The battery lasts for about 27 to 30 gallons of spraying, so that will easily handle several jobs. And then there's a port on top of this. If you see here, you can go ahead and charge from the top here. So when you plug this in, and when I plug this into the wall, you're gonna get a light that's gonna light up if it needs charging and indicate when it's fully charged. So you can do this again while this is on your tank or off. On the bottom of the B&G pressurizing tank top, you'll see the pressure valve right here that emits the air to pressurize the tank. The other thing you'll notice in here is there's a rubber ring that you want to keep on your B&G pressurizing top. Make sure this doesn't fall out. If it does, it's not going to seal very tightly, and you're going to have issues where it's going to continue to pressurize and run down that battery, and it's probably because you're missing this. The other thing you're going to see at the bottom is there's 2 screws, one on this side and one on the other side. So when you do have to change the battery at any time, you can replace it. You'll unscrew these and carefully pull the top from the bottom. Make sure though there is a wire connecting your switch here to the battery inside, so you want to be careful of that. We should be able to pull the top off, take a look at the battery, and replace it if needed. If you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe down below, and you can check out our other videos about products, pest control, lawn and garden, and everything else we handle here at DoMyOwn.com.